My name is Caitlin Dreer, and I will be reporting over the impact of a 5-week Rural Youth Leadership Development Program that I studied through the Rural Renewal Initiative. Literature shows that when youth move to larger, more urban areas after high school, a severe strain is put on a rural community's resiliency and vitality. Positive change within communities depends largely on engaging and empowering youth. I studied youth development in Tillman County, Oklahoma, where a local youth development program did exist, but its impact was largely unknown. I studied the program known as Bomber Yell, which is a 5-week leadership development program in Frederick, Oklahoma. Bomber serves as the school mascot, and Yell stands for Youth Engaged in Leadership and Learning. This program is led by 2 community volunteers, Lance Bohannon and Roxy Hill, and 10 middle school participants were involved. This 5-week program happens 3 days per week from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. In the morning, an open discussion is held where American history and current events serve as the main topics discussed. Then in the afternoon, a community activity is conducted. These activities usually focus on service and education, and you can see 3 examples of afternoon activities in the pictures, like helping at the food bank, planting flowers at the high school, and presenting speeches to the Rotary Club. An evaluation was given to the students before the program began and once the program had ended. This study consisted of identifying the importance and competence levels of 67 different employability skills on a 4-point response scale. The importance and competence constructs were analyzed using the Borg Needs Assessment Model. The following 3 steps outline the formula that is used in order to find the mean weighted discrepancy score. I decided to divide the results into importance and competence. The 4-point scale that is used is highlighted at the bottom of the slide, where 0 equals no importance and 3 equals major importance. If we look at the table, we can see that students ranked problem solving the highest in importance. Positive growth occurred in 12 of the 16 constructs after the completion of the program. And leadership saw the biggest change in scores from pre-assessment to post-assessment, meaning that students really saw the importance of leadership throughout the 5 weeks. Next, we'll move into competence. Students ranked the most competent in listening skills and lifelong learning. They felt the most change in competence for oral communication and managing conflict. Positive growth occurred in 11 of the 16 constructs after the completion of the program, which are highlighted in the table. A mean weighted discrepancy score was calculated for each employability skill construct. Items with high discrepancy scores indicate areas in need of curriculum enhancement and improvement. So if we look at the table, we can see that time management scored the highest in mean weighted discrepancy score. This meaning that the program can focus more on this construct and work to improve curriculum in this area. Whereas listening scored the lowest, meaning that there's a low need to improve curriculum or spend more time in this construct. The evaluation used for this study is also being used in Big Topics, which is another youth development program in Frederick. This evaluation could be replicated and implemented in almost any program. The 5-week program should continue to be taught with extra emphasis in time management and creativity, and those constructs scoring higher in mean weighted discrepancy scores. If you look at the data, you can see that importance scores rank higher than competence scores, and this is consistent with other research that has been done using the same model. This means that a single 5-week program cannot serve as the only development for students and emphasizes the need for youth development in rural communities. Thank you.